In a crazy seller's market here in Lane County, Oregon, and buyers are waiving home inspections. Hi, I'm Genevieve Partsch with Hearthstone Real Estate. I'm here with Carlton with the Mills team at Pillar to Post. We're going to talk about home inspections and why you shouldn't waive them, and also the add-ons that Pillar to Post offers. Remember, not all inspectors are the same or have the same add-ons. So go ahead, Carlton.
Yeah, so a home inspection is pretty much a test on the reasonableness of the home. So we're not looking to go in and do a code inspection, and we're also not looking to comment on the cosmetic choices of the home. We're going to be going through all the major systems and components. So going through the roof, going through the attic space, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and giving you a good idea on the general condition of each of those systems and components. Really what we're looking to do is give you as the buyer an objective third-party look at the general condition of the home and make you aware of any safety concerns and any big ticket items that are going to be coming up. Once you own the home, that's your responsibility. So now's the time to have somebody else come and check to make sure everything's in order.
So what are some of the add-ons you guys have?
Here at the Mills team, we have a variety of different package options, as well as add-on services that you can tag on to a whole house inspection. Our added services, we have radon monitoring that you can add, sewer scoping, asbestos sampling, mold sampling, as well as water quality. And so what we're looking to do is to be your one-stop shop for all of your inspection needs, and we're excited to serve you.
It's not smart to waive a home inspection. In the long run, it could cost you more money and you won't know the condition of your home.